What is up, and welcome back. We cashed the free play yesterday. We cashed the free play from the day before. We had a nice winning day yesterday, so we're going to go over some of the free plays and their winners, VIP's winners, and then we're going to give you a free play today for Friday, October 3rd. We got some college football games on. We got the game one of, I believe it's the WNBA finals is going on right now. So we got a lot of plays for us today. So if you guys are new, welcome. This is the 907 Fantasy channel. Make sure you go and subscribe down below. Hit the like button. That does help us out here. So coming over here, this was the free play we gave out yesterday. This ended up cashing. Mac Jones, he played phenomenally. I thought that the Rams were going to run away with this game with how many injuries and how many people are out for the San Francisco 49ers. It went to overtime. The Rams kicker missed a extra point. It got blocked. And then they just, 49ers just outplayed them. That's as simple as it was. But coming over here, we cashed this one over on VIP. This was over on Chalkboard. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, come over here and use the code 907FANTASY, and they're going to give you free $20 just for signing up. No deposit necessary. You don't even have to put any banking information in. Just sign up with the code 907FANTASY. They're going to hook you up with $20. So we hit that one 10 into 22.40 there. We hit this one as well on VIP, 10 into 18.50. And then we hit, why is this not loading now? We hit this one. Let's see if these load again. We hit these on VIP as well. There we go. So we hit this one on VIP, 5 into 850. This one on VIP, Kendrick Bourne, he went off with Mac Jones. So nice win there. This was the free play that I gave out on Tuesday. It was one I gave out on Wednesday. So this was 5 into 11. Nice win there for us. Sweat free on all of them. And then this was the free play that I gave out yesterday. Mac Jones, McCaffrey, and Kyron Williams all hit their overs. Nice win there. 5 into basically 10. So those were some VIP plays and the VIP or the free play winners. So if you guys are not on the Winible, come over here and get on the free plan. As well as there is the weekend pass going on right now, and that's going to get you all the plays until Sunday. That's just $20, so you're going to make your money back. That's winnable.com/907fantasy. So you can come over here, and there is multiple different passes that you can choose from, but get on at least one of them. Make sure to subscribe to the free plan to get all the winners there. And this is not going to load for us. Oh, here we go. So the free plan, you got the free plan here. That's free. VIP gold levels, $149 a month. $5 Friday pass that's going on right now. So if you want to try out VIP for the day, it's $5 for today. And then the VIP full week pass, $47. College football season pass, NFL season pass, $749. And then the weekend pass, it's going to get you all the plays today, Saturday for college football, and then Sunday for NFL. That's just $20. So make sure to get on one of these plans. But let's go over here to PrizePicks, and we have, instead of the sweat-free Friday or whatever they used to call it, now it's like a profit boost. So we're gonna look at Alyssa Thomas here. She's been killing this line. She's the Phoenix Mercury's top player there. So we're gonna look at her over points. We're gonna go over 11 points here. Or over 11.5, so 12 points. She's hit this in all of the last 5, averaging 20. So this is a nice, easy win for us there. And then we're going to be looking at, I believe it's Chelsea Young, or Chelsea Gray. There's Jackie Young and Chelsea Gray. We're going to be looking at her for assists. So Chelsea Gray, over the last 5, she's averaging 8.2. She had 9 in the last 2 games. So we're going to look at her on an alternate line at give me 5 assists here. Nice win there. And then we're going to go over here to college football. And there is 2 plays that I'm liking in college football today. There's not a ton of great games going on. I think the best game that's going on is probably the New Mexico San Jose State game. That's the closest one probably. South Florida should blow that game out of the water, and then BYU should be able to handle business against West Virginia at home there. But let's go over here to the college football. We're going to look at a receiving line. So what I'm thinking here is if USF is supposed to blow Charlotte out of the water, they're favored by, coming back over here, they're favored by 28.5 points with an over-under of 56.5. So that means that they're going to be a lot on offense. Chaz Nimrod here. That's an unfortunate last name, but he's gone for a 119 and 128 in the last 2 games. So give me 40 yards from him. That's a nice, easy one there. And then the other one that I'm looking at is the BYU running back, LJ Martin here. So he has hit this line in 2 of the last 5. He's come real close in another one. But them playing at home, heavy favorites. They should be running the ball a lot. If we take him over 70 yards here, that should be a nice, easy win for us for the free play. So he's hit that in 4 of the last 5, averaging 96.6 yards. So give me that one, and let's see what we do here. Actually, this is going to be the free play. So we're going to take these 3. Alyssa Thomas, over 12 points. Chelsea Gray, over 5 assists. Chaz Nimrod, over 40 receiving yards. That is the official free play for today. We're going to submit that. So make sure to go over to PrizePicks and get that locked in. If you guys need any free money on any of the apps, make sure that's submitted. Okay, do my lineup. Okay, that is the official free play for today. So go over there and get that locked in. And then if you guys need any free money on Chalkboard, they're going to give you $20 just for signing up and using code 907fantasy. Along with Sleeper, they're going to give you $20 of free money, no deposit necessary when you use code 907fantasy. They're also going to hook you up with a Dak Prescott over 1 passing yards for Sunday. So that's a nice, easy win for you as well for the free pick. So that's available to all new users. Go over there and get signed up for Sleeper and Chalkboard. Use that code 907fantasy. So good luck with all of your plays today. Go lock this in on Winible. Get signed up for at least the free plan and the $5 Friday pass. Let's go have another winning day today and get ready for some Saturday college football. So good luck with all your plays, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. See ya.